All right. Yo, 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 yo. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, man. Bro, the Nats got beat up last night. The heck? Nats got beat up. Lux Living, what's up? Good morning. Pretty much retraced this entire rip that we had end of day yesterday. As far as news goes, we don't really have anything popping off today. Trump is signing some executive orders later today. Who would have thought Trump signing more executive orders, right? Who would have thought it, chat? Who would have thought it? Bob Decker, good morning. G-Man, good morning. What's up, fam? What up, what up, what up? Things got a little bit bearish to start the day. Looking a little bearish. We retraced the entire rip that we had at the end of the day yesterday. This big move here, let's see. This big move has been fully retraced. Well, actually, I take that back. No, it has not. Not been fully retraced. Wait, why is my chart so... Oh, wait, this is... Is this the wrong contract? Hold on. Top Step X is showing something different than TradingView. Hold on, chat. Am I tripping or am I tripping? Oh, wait, this was from... Okay, never mind. Never mind, never mind. We did not retrace that. This is from... I'm looking at different. Something different here on Top Step X. Who's trading the open? We're gonna be trading the open. Yusuf, good morning. Chat, I think I'm tripping. My TopStep X is showing something very different than TradingView, but TopStep X is already TopStep's already rolled to the new contracts. Price is the same, but the chart is so different. This is weird. Huh. Oh, wait, I know why. There we go. I was looking at the wrong contract. There we go. Looking at the wrong contract. Marika, what's up? Music Vibes. Good morning. You're looking at the Inky one. Yeah, I just realized that music. Once I just realized that. Bo, what's up? Oh yeah. Bearish we go. Sellers in the building. Sellers are in the building. Chat, if you haven't already, do me a favor, bro. Smash the like button. Helps me out a ton. Give that like button a big old smash. A big old smooch right on the cheek. I'd like to get those likes up early, bro. Straight to the lips, he says. Well, Chad, Tesla's back to getting beat up. Tesla's back to trading 228, down 3.9% already on the day. Chad, do you think Elon's involvement in politics is hurting Tesla's brand? Like, real talk. Because Elon's been super focused on politics and seems less focused on Tesla. In fact, the only thing I've heard regarding Elon is either politics or SpaceX and not Tesla. Like, I haven't heard anything Elon Tesla. It's all been Elon politics or Elon SpaceX. I think it is, man. I think y'all are right. I think it is. Like, at what point do you spread yourself too thin, right? I mean, you're running two major companies, Tesla and SpaceX, right? Which SpaceX just like rescued those astronauts that were stuck in space for like 9 months. And now you're just like getting so heavy into politics that you're at the White House, you're doing all these investigations, running Doge now. Like, at what point do you spread yourself too thin to where something starts taking a hit somewhere, whether that's Tesla, SpaceX, whatever, right? It seems like to me, Tesla is the one suffering here. And that's his child company, right? Right. If you really think about it, like that's his child company. You think Elon, you think Tesla, that's his baby. And so I feel like him stepping away and being distracted with everything else is starting to make Tesla take a hit. I don't know. That's just me. I don't think it's forever. I think Tesla will recover as usual, right? But short term, I think he's definitely taking a hit. He is doing great things. I'll give him that. Yeah, he is doing great things. He's doing big things. But what's, again, doing all of these things that he's doing, which one is going to suffer the most from being spread too thin, right? Nas getting very bearish, trading 815. Now we're starting to come down into some levels here. Looks like we're going back into the 700s here. Got a level of 764. Yeah, I see that. Probably get a sweep of that 764 level, honestly. As heavy as this looks, I think we possibly get a sweep of that. IB low being set. Oh, well, it's too early for that. We're only 7 minutes into the open. We won't know what IB low is until 9:30 Central. But I think we're going to sweep the 760s. It looks too heavy not to. Probably going to get a strong push through it. We are kind of hovering 780s right now, working our way down in those 760s. Gonna push that 760 level. I think could send us to the low 700s pretty quickly. The whole Mag 7 is red right now. Whole Mag 7's red. Except Apple. Apple's kind of just flat on the day, just slightly, ever so slightly green. You wouldn't go short now? No, not right now. We're only 8 minutes into the open, bro. I want to wait. I'm letting price play out. Give me a good setup to take. All right, 760 is possibly coming up here. All right, testing 760s. About to push 64, which is not great. All right, there's push through the 60s. Sixties, yeah, those 60s got ran. Nice little sweep there. We'll see what happens here. I'm still kind of bearish on this sweep, so it looks like we possibly come down lower, but we'll see. Gonna be patient. Let trades, let price come to us. Take good trades. We're only 11 minutes into the open. No need to rush anything. We just need that one good A+ setup, chat. All right, so we did flush that 764 level, and now we got buyers trying to step in. Little sweep of liquidity, possible buy up. Don't look too promising. Still looks fairly weak. Used to be over eager to trade the open, at times paid dearly for it. Oh yeah. Yep. That man. That causes, yeah, I know what you're saying. That causes over trading. Like I mean, people get too overly eager to trade, and it's like we're only 10 minutes into the open. Like we have a whole like entire day ahead of us to look for good setup, so we don't have to always trade, you know, the first 10 minutes, 20 minutes, even the hour, right? We can let price play out, let all the algorithms do its thing, let all the high volatility settle, let price pick a direction, and then we take the A+ setup that presents itself, and all you really need is one trade a day. Like my trading style, like real talk, my trading style is much more boring than a lot of other YouTubers that trade online, that trade on stream. It's very boring because I'm very conservative. I play defense more often than not in my trading. I sit around and wait for the setups that I only feel comfortable in. Like I don't trade for entertainment purposes on YouTube. Like I'm a trader first, a YouTuber second, right? Like trading is like that's my career. So I don't trade to for entertainment, you know, where I'm just getting in and out of trades, YOLOing trades, or getting into huge position sizes, and or just taking a million trades a day, right? I'm very like my trading style is very, very boring, but it works for me, right? It works for me. I make money. That's all that matters. Missed yesterday's giveaway. Are you doing one today too? Not one today, but we'll do another one here soon. I do have a giveaway going on Twitter right now. If you go on Twitter, go to my profile. There's one going on. Let's see. Rather have boring wins and exciting losses. That is true. Yeah, that is true. All right. We are still going straight down, chat. Straight down. Over 200-point 15-minute opening range. I know this move is huge. This is massive. Like it's almost not even tradable. I mean, it's literally just straight in one direction. I can't stop yawning, chat, bro. I got good sleep last night. I can't stop yawning. I don't know if it's because it's dark in my office or if I just need to like take an IV full of caffeine straight to the veins. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Trading 713 on the Nazi. Potentially coming down to, let's see. What would be the next level here? Like honestly, 19,660s is what I'm seeing. Like 660s, 650s. That'd really be the next level that I'm seeing. A little bit of buyers stepping in here. Chances are our bid doesn't hold as heavy as we are. We're going to have a massive initial balance, especially if we keep pushing lower. The initial balance range is going to be pretty big. Now, I was trying to catch a bid here. See how well it holds. Tesla's now down 5.4%. Getting apps, getting just beat to shreds, bro. Holy. Pretty strong buyers here. Buyers trying to gain a little bit of strength. We'll see if we can catch a little bit of a bid here and then look for some structure to possibly get short off of. But I want structure to build first. I don't want to force a short. Like I really want structure to build. That way we can have a defined risk on a stop before taking anything. Oh, chat, I could feel a nap coming on today. Like we make some money, go take a nap, bro. That sounds lovely. Buyer's trying to hold here. Again, just being patient, waiting for some structure to form. We do have FOMC tomorrow, don't we? Yeah. FOMC is tomorrow. So the volume today could very much just die off pretty quickly. In anticipation for tomorrow's events. More sellers coming in. Bid could not hold. Got some more sellers. Yo, these 5-minute candles are huge. Huge. Just added cumulative delta to my trade bait. Do you ever use that, Joey? Yes, I have used cumulative delta. In fact, if you go onto my website, tradewithjoey.com, there is a video on there on how I use cumulative delta when I do use it. It's I think it's called like delta divergence or something like that. Let's see. Let's go to tradewithjoey.com. Go to the free trading course. Switch to my chart here. Or switch to the screen. So if you go to tradewithjoey.com, there's a bunch of videos here. Maybe I didn't actually. Thought I added it. Maybe I didn't. Anyways, yeah. So I have used cumulative delta. I use it for like delta divergences. You know, when price is maybe making a new low, but delta isn't. I need to add that to the course here. Yeah, I'm gonna add that. So it will be up there. I guess it isn't yet, but I'll add it. Yeah, it's great for like delta divergence plays. All right, sellers are still moving us lower here. All of the gains are getting erased, chat. All of the gains are getting erased. And we're still moving lower. I like the levels down here for longs, but I don't know. I don't like it. I don't know, chat. I don't know. I think really maybe like 613s. I'm liking it more so. Coming down into like this area here. Especially like looking at this where we've caught multiple buy ups from this area. I think 613s look good for a potential buy up, but we'll see. Sellers are just keeping us down. See if we can get a move at that 613 level. Maybe look for something there. Unless we can form structure where we are, and provide a good risk parameter for a long down here. But we really need structure to build before that. Which here we are coming down lower. Looks like we're coming down to 613s pretty quickly. Trading 655. 613s could be coming up. I definitely don't want to chase short where we are right now. We're so far down that I mean, we're almost 2% down on the day. I don't want to chase short. I'd rather get, you know, a decent entry to get short off of. And so far it hasn't, the market really hasn't given me that. I mean, we've just been going straight down. Maybe a potential buy up here, but any bid that's tried to come into the market has gotten slapped. Just waiting for some structure to form. I need some sort of structure to either get long or short off of. Once I get that, then we'll take a trade. Tesla now down 6%, bro. Holy. I've been watching Tesla close because I definitely want to load the boat on this discount that we're getting. The Roth IRA needs to be loaded up with Tesla. All right, buyer's trying to hold a bid here. We'll see how this 5-minute candle closes. If we can close and get some bullish momentum on the next candle, then we have the lows as a stop loss. We can get long. It's kind of what I'm thinking here. Get a good close on the 5-minute candle. See a good opening on the next 5-minute. We could get long and have it stop at the lows. Decent buying here. I mean, that's a 50-point buy up right there, chat. 5-minute candle is 50 points. That's a 50-point candle. Just crazy. Crazy. Trading guy, what up? Looks like buyers are trying to step up here. So far, they're not looking too strong, but I like the setup here for longs. Now it's just getting an entry. Oh, that was a push. Okay, well, maybe I'm not going to get an entry on this. I wanted more like in the 70s, like low 70s to get long off of. But it looks like buyers are trying to get a push here. I also don't like these slaps, right? I mean, you catch a bid and then seller's slap is back down, and then it's just right back up, and then seller's slap is back down. So it's very like, I don't know. I feel like it's a very much a mixed bag right now on whether buyers are going to hold this or not. All right, seeing a little more selling coming back in now. We did fail that 15-minute low. That way, the 15-minute opening range there that we tested here. But we did reject it, which isn't great. Seeing if buyers can still kind of hold this. Looks decent. I'll go ahead and take the long, chat. I'm going to take the long here. I'll put a stop. I'm not going to risk the lows on this though. So I'm going to put a stop just below this 5-minute candle. Getting back into the 15-minute, I think, can be pretty bullish here. I would like to see us get up above like 47. But I'm not going to risk the lows. That's just too wide of a stop for me. I may have taken a pretty aggressive entry as well. Let's see if we can get a push up here. More selling coming through. Still rejecting the 15-minute opening range. We got to get back within that 15-minute. Otherwise, this is going to get stopped out. What up, Mario? Gaurav, what up? Oh, wow. Okay. Big slap there, and that's why we have stop losses, chat. That's why we have stop losses, because of that right there. Holy moly. Jeez. That was a major rejection. What do you do about that? What was that? What just happened? News come out or something? Or is that just rollover movement? I think that's just rollover movement. Oh, all right. That guy stopped out. Rejected that 15-minute opening range low again. Oh, might be making new lows here. Wouldn't be surprising as heavy as today is. Raul, good morning. Retesting these lows. We'll see if we push through it. Trading 664s. I still think 613s come into play eventually. So far, trying to hold these lows. We'll see if it holds or not. Rolled over? Yeah. Yeah, we rolled over. There's more volume on the next contract over now. All right, see if we make new lows. So far, we're still holding it. Again, just bids are getting slapped. Bullish divergence. We'll see. I mean, so far we're holding the lows. Really just chopping around right here. A lot of indecision whether we run these lows or not. A lot of indecision. All right, potentially running the lows here. Well, we got to run to the lows. But bought right back up into it. This price action is wonky. Wonky. A run of those lows and then a buy up. You just gotta sweep the lows there and getting a potential buy up here. That's an interesting run of the lows and then to get a immediate buy up like that. See if buyers can continue to hold us, bring us up here. Probably gonna go retest the 15-minute opening range. Which again, always like getting back in the 15-minute could send us higher. Let's see if we can get up there. Extended. Raul. Still rejected that 15-minute opening range low. If we can get back up in that 15-minute opening range, I think it looks pretty good. Testing the opening range again. If we can get back up in there. And once again, rejecting it. That 15-minute opening range low has been rejected so many times. Taking another stab at it possibly, or going to continue rejecting it. Really hovering the 688 level. All right, trying to retest. Go back up to the 15-minute opening range. See if we can break through this time. Buyers want to break through it. But it is struggling. It's like we're trying to base out. Yeah, it's just very like very slow. Very, very slow. I mean, they're trying to get back up there, but they were just it's a big struggle bust right now. All right, retesting the opening range. I feel like the more times we reject it, the bearish this thing could get. We really need to push through it. Holy moly, chat. What is this price? What is this price action? What is the price action? Look how many times we rejected that 15-minute opening range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holy shit. Give us something, bro. We're down 190 on the day from that trade earlier. 190 bucks. Not bad. Just trying to get something to play out here for us to take. If we could break into that 15-minute opening range, I feel like we could get pretty bullish and we could get a move up, or at least a move higher. But again, we've just been rejecting it over and over again. Oh, chat, my computer or my camera just died. Oh no. What happened to my camera? Once again, trying to get back in that range and just cannot. Can it do it? Do I trade more than one account? Yes. Yes, I do. All right, here's another big rejection in the opening range. I feel like if we just cannot get above that and we're going to keep rejecting it, then this thing is eventually going to get bearish and start working its way back down. So I don't know why my camera keeps dying. I'll just turn my Yeah, I think my camera is overheating, chat. I don't know why. It never really overheats. We'll just leave it off for a while. So far, still just kind of hovering up here, right below the opening range low. Slowly just trying to like work its way up, it seems like, but we are just in mega consolidation mode right now. So again, testing the opening range low. Consolidation is just, you know, when we're moving sideways, right? I mean, it's very distinct difference. Like, I mean, consolidation, we're just unable to break out in either direction, right? Think about like highs and lows. We're unable to break out into either. It just kind of consolidates in one general range. Well, there's the move into the opening range. Which now could get pretty bullish and send us higher. Probably up to maybe 740s if this can hold. This holds. I'm looking at 740s as an area. But it wouldn't surprise me to see us come back down below the OR. You can definitely tell that price is moving very slow like now. Um, I mean, granted, the moves are still big, but it still feels very slow. And I think that's just because we have FOMC tomorrow. Not really liking how price is moving. Hmm. Still holding above the opening range low. Until it doesn't. All right, trying to push back below the opening range low now. I'm short 709. I'm shorting 709. Once again, getting back below opening range. I like the short. See how low we can take this. Maybe get a run on the lows here. I'm cool going break even at this point. If I get stopped out for break even on this trade, we're calling it a day. It is not the day for me to trade. I really want to get this run of the lows. It's gonna give it to me. If I get tapped for break even on this trade, bro, trading is not it today. Come on, sellers, push us. Push us. Go take out those lows. Take out the lows. Take it out. All right, trailing in profit. We'll at least lock in 250 on this trade. All right, stopped out there for 250. We'll take that. We will take that. Take a profit of 250. Really wanted to run the lows. It probably still does, but I'm just trying to lock in some green. That was a good short. We shorted right when we came back and down into that opening range low. Took it down. Getting a buy up here, which is why I trailed my stop, because I was afraid of us being so choppy down here that we either run the lows aggressively or we hold them, and looks like we're trying to hold them. So trailing that stop definitely was the play. Think you're gonna relax now? Don't have any job. I can make 665 in basically an hour. It's true. That is true. Chat, we'll see my camera will turn back on now and stay on. Look at these buyers. Look at these buyers, bro. My goodness. Well, look at this. Chat, this price action, bro. This ain't it. This is not it. This is where a lot of people blow out accounts. Like real talk, this is where accounts get blown. Is people trying to trade these breakouts and they immediately get slapped. You get massive moves down, and you get short, and then it rips up on you, then it slaps back down, and people get tilted. Today's not it. Right? Today's price action, sure, this morning was a big move, but right now, the price action is not it. So I think I'm gonna call it a morning because I don't want to get chopped up here. I don't want to get tilted off this movement. We took a good trade just then. I kind of want to end on a good note and not get chopped around. So I think we're gonna call it a morning, and then I'll be live in Discord during Power Hour today. So we'll be live there during Power Hour, and I'll see you guys then. Remember, TradeFi is 30% off. Use code JM. We're gonna start doing this thing where the more of my code gets used, the more we're gonna do giveaways live on stream here, right? So use code JM. We do more giveaways live on stream, multiple giveaways. For TradeFi, 30% off. Again, take profit, 30% off, no activation fee as well. Fam, with that said, hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you in Discord later on today. Cheers.